I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be using Classic Blue, Strawberry Glow, Frozen, which is a beautiful pastel blue. I'll also be using Thunder, and I'll also be using Peacock, which is a deep turquoise green. So I've already got my nails applied. I'm just going to come in with a gel polish design. Wow, that was a quick intro. I felt like that was like, don't breathe, quick, get it all out. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm excited to see you in my newest video here, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm just coming in with a gel polish design over my acrylics. I'm starting off by applying my base colours. So I'm using Frozen, which is the pastel blue, and Strawberry Glow, which is this sheer, like iridescent, super pretty colour. If you can call it a colour, I guess it is, but maybe not. I also wanted to let you guys know that I have my new course available now, and you are going to love it. I'll be sure to link it down below, and if you are interested in learning my in-depth acrylic designs, then definitely check it out. It's probably going to be the one for you, and I will be having many more courses out as well in the future as I get to work on them. Okay, so I'm coming in with my second colour coat. I already cured this in the light for a full 60 seconds. As always, my acrylics are nail mate as well. I believe my nail bed is perfect pink, and then I have the crystal clear for the free edge. So that's just the second coat there, and I've fully cured that in the light again. So I'm just coming in and alternating all of the blue colours that I chose and showed you at the beginning, and gently kind of just wiping those onto the nail, just with like a light stroke so that they go on a little bit sketchy. You don't want a perfect line or anything, and then it'll be looking like this. Then I'm just curing that in the light for 30 seconds, even a 15-second or a 10-second flash cure would be perfect. I'm then going to do the same with Classic Blue and just really build up the colours onto the nail so it looks like an abstract painting. Now that I've gone ahead and cured all the gel in the light and I'm happy with the design that I have, I'm going to use the 10-piece rose gold foil set, and I love the fact that this set has golds, silvers and rose gold. Like, you're not just getting one colour, you get a huge variety, and it makes it super versatile. So I'm just choosing the silver foil out of the set, and I'm just going to go ahead and press it straight into the tacky layer of the gel polish. So I'm not applying any foil mate, I'm literally just going onto the tacky layer and just quickly pressing on and pulling away, and that's just going to release some of that foil onto the nail and again give us this abstract art design. And honestly, I am living for this look. I haven't managed to recreate it yet just because we've been so busy, but I definitely want to have a go at it in lilac and purples and also in pinks as well. So now I've applied the foil, I'm going to come in with the dotting tools and just some black and white gel polish. So the black gel polish I'm using is Midnight and the white is French White. I think it's French White, it may well be white out, but either or is perfect for the job. And I've just applied some of those to the stainless steel palette. I'm just coming in with the dotting tool and I'm applying the white dots over the darker areas, and then I'm applying the black dots over the lighter areas. You don't want to completely fill the nail, but you just want to make sure you've got enough kind of spread out throughout the design so that it's evenly balanced to a point. I'm just going to do that on all of the nails that we've done the gel design on, and then we'll move on to the next step. Also, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Should have definitely said that at the beginning, but gee, did we zoom into this video super quick. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. I really appreciate your support. Okay, so I'm coming in now with Nailmate Super Gloss, and I'm just going to go and apply a nice even layer over all of the nails that I've already done, making sure to cap the free edge as well. Once I've applied that, I cure in the light for a full 60 seconds, and then we're going to move on to the 2 blank nails. Now, once I'd finished the design on 3 nails, I was so unsure as to what to do, and I was like, you know what? I knew I wanted to use some crumbs, but I wasn't quite sure what colour to use. And then I was like, you know, platinum blue is super gorgeous and it's super pretty. So this one's available from my website, as with everything else. And I've just gone in and applied my super gloss and then cured that in the light for a full 60 seconds. And here we are. I'm just using my finger. You should really use a silicone tool or a sponge to apply, or if you have a glove on, that would be perfect as well. So I'm just rubbing that into the cured top coat, and by geez, did it look stunning. However, it just wasn't quite fitting in. Like, I was a bit like, this ain't right. This is just not right. So I thought, I'm going to bash out my teal, and I'm going to put that on the thumb. Anyway, that also didn't quite fit. It kind of needed a mix of in between. I was like, oh my gosh, I've ruined it. I can't be bothered sitting and taking it off, because, you know, when you're just done with a set, I was at that point, I was just done. Although it looked really pretty, those 2 chrome nails just didn't fit as well as I'd have liked. However, after applying the teal, I was like, you know what, the platinum blue does look pretty good compared to the teal. Now, I added the snowflakes and I was shook. It changed the whole look completely, and it just made it look like it flowed, and it looked so like pretty. Honestly, I couldn't stop staring at them. When I was wearing this full set, I was like, oh my god, my nails look bomb. Like, they literally looked stunning and super blingy and over the top, and I loved them. Anyway, this is the final set. As you can see, I used the Nailmate detailer brush to create the snowflakes as well, the rainbow double-sided detailer. Anyway, it'll all be linked down below, so definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Bye.